Welcome guys. So today we are going to discuss about the modifications of ZOE cement. So we will discuss about the two types of modification, that is EBA alumina modified ZOE cement and polymer reinforced ZOE cement. So these cements were introduced to improve some of the shortcomings of the regular unmodified cement. So these cements were introduced to improve some of the shortcomings of the regular unmodified ZOE cements, like low strength. Uh, Unmodified ZOE cement has low strength. So to improve the strength, we introduce these modifications of ZOE cement. Modified ZOE cements are EBA alumina modified ZOE cement and polymer reinforced ZOE cement. Remember these two names. What do you mean by EBA? The full form of EBA is orthoethoxybenzoic acid. So EBA alumina modified ZOE cement and polymer reinforced ZOE cement. So we will start from the EBA alumina modified ZOE cement. So this is a modified ZOE cement. So this is the modification of ZOE cement. It is available as white powder and pinkish liquid. So it is available in powder and liquid system. So powder is white in color and liquid is pink in color. So these cements have greater strength than other cement. Therefore they are used as an intermediate filling material and as a base. So due to their high strength, they are used as intermediate filling material and as the base. Liquid is substituted by orthoethoxybenzoic acid and alumina is added to the powder. So what is the difference between unmodified ZOE cement and EBA alumina modified ZOE cement? So there is difference in the ingredient of liquid and powder. So in the powder we are adding alumina and in the liquid we are adding orthoethoxybenzoic acid. So this is the difference between unmodified and modified ZOE cement. So liquid is substituted by orthoethoxybenzoic acid and alumina is added to the powder. Increasing in popularity as retrograde filling material because of high cost of MTA. So MTA is used. MTA means mineral trioxide aggregates are used for root canal therapy or retrograde filling material, but they are very costly. So because of this disadvantage, that they are very costly, so we are using EBA alumina modified ZOE cement as retrograde filling material. So we will discuss about the retrograde filling material, root canal sealers in separate chapter. Now the uses. Long-term cementation. So for long-term cementation we can use EBA alumina modified ZOE cement, temporary and intermediate restorations, and as root canal filling material. So this cement is also used as root canal filling material. So these are the uses. Remember these uses. Now the composition. So it is available in powder and liquid system. So powder contains zinc oxide, which is 60 to 75 weight%, fused quartz or alumina, which is present in 20 to 35%, hydrogenated rosin, which is present in 6 weight%. And now liquid contain the orthoethoxybenzoic acid, which is present in 62.5 weight%. Eugenol is present in 37.5 weight%. So this is about the composition. Now the properties. More easier to handle, so we can handle it very easily. Have improved carvability, so we can carve it easily. So have improved carvability. Now the compressive strength. So these cements have higher compressive strength. So this is the advantage of this cement. Compressive strength is in between 55 to 60 MPa. Tensile strength is 4.5 MPa. Modulus of elasticity is 2.5 GPa. Film thickness is 25 micrometer. Solubility and disintegration is water is 0.5 weight%. Despite their low solubility, these cements disintegrated and wore more quickly clinically when compared to polymer modified ZOE cement. So these cements, instead of low solubility, they have low solubility, but these cements disintegrate very quickly in the mouth temperature. So than the polymer modified cement. So this is the difference between polymer modified and alumina modified ZOE cement. That polymer modified cements do not disintegrate easily, but this cement disintegrate and wore quickly Effect on pulp, so relatively mild to the pulp, so effect is mild. Adhesion well to this tooth structure, so these cements adhere well to the tooth structure. Then the unmodified ZOE cement. Now the manipulation. A glass slab is recommended for EBA alumina modified cement, so we will take glass slab. After dispensing, powder is incorporated into the liquid in the bulk, kneaded for 30 seconds and then stroked for additional 60 seconds with broad strokes of the spatula to obtain creamy consistency. So we will take glass slab, then we will dispense powder and liquid. We will incorporate powder in bulk to the liquid, then we will knead it for 30 seconds and then we will mix it. They have long working time, so these cements have long working time, so this is the advantage. And setting time of these cements is 9.5 minutes. So this is about the EBA alumina modified cement. Let me show you picture of this cement. So this is the super EBA, that is EBA alumina modified ZOE cement. So in your practical examination, this spot may be given to you. So remember all the pictures which I am showing you in all the videos. So we will revise it again. So EBA alumina modified cements are modification of ZOE cement. They are available as white powder and pinkish liquid. They have greater strength, so therefore they are used as intermediate filling material and as the base. Liquid is substituted by orthoethoxybenzoic acid and alumina is added to the powder, increasing in popularity as retrograde filling material because of high cost of MTA. So they are increasing in popularity. Uses are long-term cementation, temporary and intermediate restoration, root canal filling material. Now the composition. Zinc oxide is present in 60 to 75 weight% in powder. Fused quartz or alumina is present in 20 to 35 weight%. Hydrogenated rosin is present in 6 weight%. Liquid contain EBA 62.5 weight% and eugenol 37.5 weight%. So here clove oil is not present, so this clove oil is substituted by EBA. Now the properties: more easier to handle, have improved work carryability, compressive strength is higher, tensile strength is 4.1 MPa, modulus of elasticity is 2.5 GPa, film thickness is 25 micrometer, solubility and disintegration is water in 0.5 weight%. Despite their low solubility, they can easily disintegrate and bore. Effect on pulp is relatively mild. Adhesion to they adhere well to the tooth structure. So setting time is 9.5 and manipulation. So this is about the EBA alumina modified ZOE cement.